show you how you input the specimen details. We're heading towards running a test. Now we have our system set up. We have our system created, our station 1 is created. So down this list I can open this hamburger menu, which makes it a little bit more obvious as to what these icons are. The next thing I want to set up is the data store. Now I can load a previous test, but for the sake of this quick start guide, I'm just going to select that there is a new test. Lots of tests there by Carl. I'm going to do Carl 99. And that creates a GDS test config file, which will be explained later. Now this reveals specimen details. Specimen details are now available to be input, and depending on the type of sample I'm working on, let's just choose the default BS1377, and I'm going to leave that the sample is undocked at the moment, but it is a new sample, and I can input all of my references, which are text files that are at the top of the output file, and sample name's not likely to be 10 meters, but it might be clay, and the depth might be 10 meters. And we enter here our initial height and our initial diameter accordingly, whatever it might be, and we can choose to have membrane correction or side corrections. If I click OK, it accepts that, and now we can move on to the test setup. One quick thing with specimen details, new in this version of our software, is that while the test is running, we can go back and we can update these specimen data, like the metadata that goes at the top of the output file. So we can come back in here and we can then enter the sample date, the description of the sample while the test is actually running.